Hey Chalk friends, it's time for a Creative Kickstart. And let me just tell you, you are gonna DIY over the adorable free products you can earn this month. From January 10th through the 31st, you can kickstart your creativity by earning free gifts with qualifying purchases. We've developed 3 new and exclusive products: our sensational Feels Like Sunshine transfer, the fantastic Fresh Start transfer, and a coordinating accessory pack with rainbow arches, felt flowers, and gorgeous greenery can be yours absolutely free. Here are the delightfully darling details. When you spend $60 US or 75 Canadian, you'll be gifted the Feels Like Sunshine transfer. When you spend $75 US or 94 Canadian, you'll be gifted the Feels Like Sunshine transfer and the Fresh Start transfer. And finally, when you spend $90 US or 125 Canadian, you'll be gifted both the transfers and the awesome accessory pack. How fun is this? Check out the dimensional rainbow elements that coordinate with the Feels Like Sunshine transfer. I told you would just DIY over them. Adhesive squares are included to make your artwork project perfect. They're also available at full retail price, but earning these goodies for free is way more fun, right? We've just released our brand new winter warm-up product collection with lovable designs for updating your home after the holidays, so pick out a few of your favorites and earn free gifts and then get your craft on. Happy chalking and happy creative new you from Chalk Couture.